I'm Kim. I'm a 12th grader. I'm in Jordan's advisory, and one advisory memory I have that soars above the others is in freshman and sophomore year. We had the music room as our advisory room, and so we had access to all the instruments. We played Seven Nation Army almost every day because almost every kid knew how to play one of the instruments.
Hi, my name is Adelaide Brooks. I'm a sophomore here at Baxter, and my favorite memory in advisory is probably from the beginning of ninth grade. We watched Our Planet together on Netflix, and we were all narrating it. It was really funny and probably one of my favorite memories.
Hi, my name is Claire. I'm a 12th grader, and my favorite Baxter advisory experience was when I was in ninth grade. And during orientation, we had a big parade, like competition type thing. And I believe it was my advisory that won it. And we also sang YMCA in Mandarin because our advisor at the time was Enue, the Mandarin teacher.
Hi, I'm Emma. I'm a 10th grader. I'm in Moxie's advisory, and what I like most about my advisory is that we do a lot of math in it.
Hi, I'm Coco Corral, and our daughter Chloe Violet is a senior at Baxter. We so appreciate Chloe's advisory, as it is such a great and human approach to supporting the students. There's the comfort and the stability and the consistency, plus the fact that she's had the same guide and advocate for over her 4 years there.
The advisory program at Baxter has become a lifeline between home and school. It allows us to be in constant communication with his advisor. It allows the student to be an individual and to grow. It is a vital resource for both the parents and students as their child navigates Baxter.
For my son, it was more social networking, and he's in college now and he still has his friends from his advisory. And then my daughter, as well as the social piece, when she ended up with a concussion, we really found the advisor as a great point person for us as a family to get the word out to the rest of the team and where she was in her concussion protocol and all that.
Advisory is for teaching you how to go to school.
Advisory is for supporting you as you go through school.
Advisory is for showing your parents and family that you're being supported as you go to school.
Advisory is for giving you a space where you are safe and where you are cared for.
Advisory is about giving you and your family one person to connect with about how Baxter works.